Yep.
Okay,
Here's
first
Pop,
thing,
Papa
you gotta be
and Brett.
careful because all of a sudden Papa will do this to you. Uh-oh. You're gonna look like you've been in a pizzeria. So take a little bit of flour, get a little flour, and put it on your pizza. Okay, here, take that. Here. Okay. Take some of this. Take some of that. Put it on there. Grab some.
What is that, Papa?
It's cornmeal.
Mmm.
Keeps it from slipping.
What you making, Brooks?
Pizza.
Pizza! Got it? Mmm.
Ooh, look at this.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. I don't have the pepper. I need the pepperoni if you want pepperoni on it.
Okay.
Okay, cut.